Speak Up English, the key to success.
Hey, Mia, you've always been a good listener. And I need someone to talk to about something that's been eating me up.
Of course, Michael. I'm here to lend an ear. What's bothering you?
It's about my relationship with my dad. Lately, we've been clashing so much that I'm starting to think it might be better for us to break up. You know, like a relationship breakup.
I understand it can be tough when you have differences with your family, but breaking up with your dad is quite extreme. Can you tell me what's been causing these conflicts?
Well, you know how they say that opposites attract? In our case, it's more like opposites collide. We have completely different views on almost everything.
That can be challenging, Michael. But remember, differences are part of life, and they don't have to end relationships. Have you tried having an open conversation with your dad about how you feel?
I've tried, Mia, but it usually turns into an argument. It's like we're speaking different languages.
Communication is key in any relationship, especially with family. Maybe you could approach the conversation differently or seek some professional help to facilitate it.
You're right. I should give it another shot and be more patient. You know, humor can sometimes break the ice in tough conversations. Have you ever used humor to diffuse a difficult situation?
Absolutely, Michael. Humor can be a powerful tool to lighten the mood and make people see things from a different perspective. I've used it in tricky talks with friends and family, and it often helps.
That's good advice, Mia. Laughter might be the key to mending this relationship. Thanks for listening and offering your insights.
You're welcome, Michael. Remember, family is precious, and with patience and understanding, you can work through this. I'm here for you.
You know, Mia, it's just that sometimes I feel like my dad and I are from different planets. He's all about tradition and the old ways, and I'm more into embracing change and innovation.
The classic generation gap, right? It can indeed be challenging when you and your parents have different outlooks on life. But remember, those differences can also be an opportunity for growth and learning.
You're right, Mia. Maybe I've been too hasty in thinking about breaking things off. I'll try to be more patient and find common ground with my dad.
That's a great attitude, Michael. And remember, it's not just about changing your dad's mind. It's also about understanding his perspective. Maybe you both can learn from each other.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. Thanks for being such a good friend, Mia. Your advice and support mean a lot to me.
Anytime, Michael. Friends are there to help each other through tough times. And who knows, maybe your dad will even appreciate some of your innovative ideas once he sees them in action.
Mia, you're a true friend. I feel a lot better after talking to you. You've given me a new perspective on handling this situation.
I'm glad I could be here for you, Michael. Remember, relationships, especially with family, can be a journey. It might not always be smooth sailing, but with effort and love, you can navigate through the rough patches.
You're absolutely right, Mia. I'll take your advice to heart and work on building a better connection with my dad.
That's the spirit. And if you ever need someone to share a laugh or vent to, I'm just a call away.
Thanks, Mia. You're the best. Let's catch up soon for some fun and laughter.
Definitely, Michael. Looking forward to it. And remember, you've got this.